Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can easily enable or disable vibration on iPhone for your text notifications. Be sure friends, give this video a like, comment. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, we're going to get to the topic. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. And then, folks, please scroll down to the bottom and find the section called Sounds and Vibrations. Next, you will need to find the text notification section here. And see, if you want to, friends, find vibration, you can easily find it at the very top. That's going to be the very first section. Click on it. Next, if you need to turn on vibration, you can easily do that by selecting any vibration from the ones that are offered, for example, in the list. Also, friends, if you want, on the contrary, to turn it off so that it does not disturb you when you receive a notification, then at the very bottom, click on the last option, Disable. And now you won't have any vibration when you get absolutely any text notifications. As you can see, friends, it's quite simple and easy, and each one of you will be able to enable or disable vibration on iPhone for text messages. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, and be sure to write comments. Take care.